Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create purchase plan independent requirement. We call it PIR in SAP directly, right? So there are two ways to create this plan independent requirement. Longer way is, mm, we have to do a forecasting part in SAP, and we called it sales and operation planning, right? So we create a sales plan. Based on the sales plan, you can give some parameters, and then you can create a production plan. You can sync these inventories, and you define what are the quantities that you need to produce for each of the month. After that, you transfer this to demand management, and these PIRs will be automatically created through that one. Okay, that's the one method. But in real world, this is generally happening if they are if the manufacturing company producing repetitive product, right? But most of the cases, if they don't use produce repetitive manufacturing, they can't use this function in SAP. So, but you can directly go to a transaction and you can maintain plan independent requirement as well, right? So today I'm going to show you that part. Maybe in my separate video, I'm going to do a SOP, sales and operation planning part as well, right? To maintain direct PIR, plan independent requirement, you need to go to the transaction code MD61. Here you have to enter your material, and you have to give your plant, and you have to give the period that you are going to maintain your um, plan independent requirement, right? So if I press enter, here you can see some values because I entered this already, right? This is your month, see, 2025 February, you can enter the quantity, and March you can enter the quantity. April likewise you can enter the quantities for each of these months. Okay, so after that you need to save this one, and also um, there are some options that you can distribute these maintain plan independent requirement into you know weekly or monthly, right? You can split it, right? Now, so you are done. We can save this. Now you saved your plan independent requirement. Now if you go to the your MRP screen, right, in S4 HANA we use MD01N to run the MRP, or else you can use MD01 as well, right? And I put regenerative planning, and I put lead time scheduling. That means based on your routing, system will define the dates, delete and recreate, right? And I will tick all these three, and I run. Okay, it will take some time if you are running this for the first time, right? You have to wait. It's going to be completed soon. Okay, now to your requirement, let's go to the MD04, right? And here you can see you had this independent requirement, right? Maybe these are the older ones, right? And you have this for the period of February you had 50. Okay, remember, for the March you have another 50, right? And for the April also you have 50. Okay, maybe there is another set of PIRs or something, that's why you can double it, right? For this each of the period, now you have the purchase, sorry, the plan orders, right? You can take one of this plan order and you can convert it to a production order, right? That's a separate set of thing, but this is how you do the create the PIR and you run the MRP and you get the plan orders.